Hello guys, welcome back to CAD-Make. In today's video we are going to design a twisted part. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring the sketch to design life. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the Circle command and draw two circles of 10 mm diameter and 5 mm diameter here in the origin. Click OK. Now take the Line command and draw a sketch connecting the circle quadrants like this. Click Exit. Zoom it. Now take the Trim Entities command and erase the circle with Power Trim like this. Click OK. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 3 mm, click OK. Again go to the sketch. Click Sketch. Here in the Parts setting choose the right plane. Zoom out. Now take Circle command and draw two circles of 10 mm diameter and 5 mm diameter. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from the origin point to the circle center point as 20 mm. Click OK. Zoom out. Press Escape. Now take the Line command and draw a sketch like this passing through the circle quadrants. Click Exit. Take the Trim Entities command and erase the circle with Power Trim like this. Click OK. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Select here mid-plane. Give the extrusion value as 3 mm, click OK. Now click on Lofted Boss command. Select this surface. Rotate. Select this surface. Click here. Choose Tangency to Face. Also click here and choose Tangency to Face. Click OK. It looks perfect and amazing now. Go to the Visual Styles and select Real View. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Nickel and choose the burnished nickel. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.